fucking beats. Come on.
Working dropping back, man. It just looks like clean. Yeah. Just let it go.
Yeah. Yeah. What the fuck? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bailey Wise. We are at the gas station. We just had to fill up the Stranger and we just filled up the YZ250, man. As you can see, if y'all haven't seen, I do got the street tire on the 250. It's probably just been mixed in with all my other videos because sometimes I post the same video I record in the same day. Some days I post videos in order. Some days, if something's a little too good to miss up, I gotta post it when it pops up. But today we're about to go meet all the boys up in Greenville. About to be at the lot, about to get a lot session. So first time riding the 250 since we've looped it at that street ride. If you haven't seen that video, go tap in now. Pretty good video, man. Anyway, I'm about to pick up with y'all in a minute once we get to the lot and start unpacking the 250. Your boy's got a fat turkey sandwich I'm about to smack in the process, bro, because when I was loading it up, my weak ass was shaking, bro. So I figured I'd eat a sandwich, get strong, you know what I'm saying? So if you see me in public, I'm not looking small, bro. I got out of the gym for these bikes.
But bro on the big 450 going crazy. We ain't gonna condone the no helmet activity though. Throw your lids on, kids. First startup since the wreck though. 2 kick, 3, 4 kick. Handlebars not straight. That's like fender and fork straight. Look at my handlebars from when I wrecked, chat. I wormed out heavily. First ride on the 250 since I wrecked though. We gonna get like bro like that real soon though. I just gotta figure out that foot brake, that's all. Y'all can see me on the SURRON, so y'all know I'm capable now. Justice is OD though too on the Grom. Hold on, my music was blaring.
You're like slowing it down, man. Trying to go so fast, drop it back and easy on the brake, and you won't sit there and do this, right? Just try and drop it back and let it. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's kind of hard to explain, but get it back further. Stay off the brake a little bit more. Like don't set it right where you feel you need the brake and hit it.
Yeah.
You just let it.
Because I'm not even dropping like back.
Drop it. Send it back.
Yeah.
Just easy on the brake. You don't need that much.
I'm getting used to the foot brake still, but do you know if I like from where I wrecked last time, my handlebars aren't straight? But do you know what I got to do to fix that?
Buy new handlebars.
Just whole new handlebars? I didn't know if it was like the other bike where
risers too, but your risers, well, your risers are not bad, honestly. Yeah, just new bars, man.
So the whole bar is just bent weird?
I would say so, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so a lot of times these will just bend, but make sure you get the 1 1/8 ones.
Okay.
And whatever these are, if you like them, just get the same bar.
Yeah.
We can swap everything over, no problem.
I didn't know if it was like my fucking SURRON where it was like a bicycle and I had to fucking straighten them back up. I didn't know if that's what that was.
Most times you're going to fuck them up more than...
Yeah.
You might bend the bars back.
Actually...
It's not going to work it, honestly.
No, it's not. Your risers might be fucked up too. It looks like... Because your shit's twisted that way.
Yeah.
It'd be the clamps.
Yeah, well that's what I'm saying, the risers, that's what they're risers. You can buy a set of Pro Taper risers, 1 1/8 risers for like $60.
Yeah.
And bars for like another 60.
I was gonna wait before I bought one and see if I could just like loosen something and straighten them up, but
now you might
that'll work.
See, mine were fucked up. They're still a little fucked up. This riser was way back here. I beat the shit out of it with a hammer.
Yeah.
And it's a little bit straighter, but unless you want your shit clapped, like mine.
My shit's already clapped, dude. Yeah.
Bars, man.
I like that too. Does that feel better?
So much. So fucking much.
I bet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that.
Fucking, I used to like put duct tape on them and shit. They make the shift socks.
They just don't feel as good as that does. That's a fucking butt plug right there, boy.
Yeah, man.
But yeah.
Bars and risers. That's what I would do.
You like that seat too on there?
Seat cover?
Yeah.
I always run the choice, man. In my opinion, it may be because it's newer, but man, they hold you on. Like,
yeah.
I've always bought Enjoys.
I'm about to.
Cause you get a thrill seekers or something.
Yeah.
And you gotta wait for them. This motherfucker just order it.
I'm about to look into that. Is this one? Yeah, I don't know if this feels any different. Yours probably
old.
Yeah.
But hell, I definitely get a new one.
Yeah. I don't got a damn kickstand. Hold up.
I like them, man.
Oh shit, some quad. Oh yeah, yeah. My shit's slick as. Yeah, yeah. I appreciate it though.
Drop it back. Drop it back. Just kind of hold it there for a minute.
Yeah.
You know? Just play with it. Just when you set it back, I can already tell you're not going back far enough to where that would even matter. But drop it way fucking, like go kind of quick and just sling it fucking back. You got the foot brake, man. I wouldn't even worry about it.
Yeah.
You got the foot brake.
I looped last time doing that ride out they had or whatever. I was in the lot, but I looped. I was doing no hands, and when I came back, I gave it too much gas and fucking flew off that bitch.
When you're learning those, just come back and give it no gas and let it drop.
Yeah. I guess that's what I did, but
yeah, just
sounds
work
good.
on just dropping it back, man. It just looks like clean, you know. You're like here and you just let it coast.
Yeah, because I'm still like, I watch videos back and it feels like I'm doing what you're doing, but it's gonna take time. But yeah, hopefully that
you could do that.
helps.
It's just coasting with the clutch out, you know. You'd be good at doing it today if you just you know, actually do it. Just
actually try it
further, give it more gas, less brake.
Sounds good.
And if you drop back far, you give it more brake. But if you want to keep it in that little spot, a lot of times I won't even touch the brake.
Yeah.
Like just
barely. See, I'm still in my head where it's like as soon as I feel like it's right here, I'm just.
It's gonna take it a minute to fall back.
Yeah, it will. Yo, a lot of people up here.
I know, right? What the fuck going on?
The one time you don't got your bike. What you up to?
Huh?
What you up to? Just chilling?
Tire.
What's up, bro?
Came to get a tire from somebody that don't even like it here. There you go, showing off.
He's crazy. Why don't you get a dirt bike?
Like a week and a half.
You need to sell it.
I know, I do. I want to get one of them. I'm tired of
One of these? Dude, my shit's all clapped from last time. My handlebars are sideways still. That's. Do what? I looped that street ride.
Why are you wheeling still?
Bro, I gotta get new bars, that's it. Well, maybe risers. Maybe, I think it's straight right here.
Yeah, but your handlebars, where are they straight at?
Oh, yeah, nah. Those aren't straight.
Oh my god.
I just get in the air and I hold it like that.
You're just fucking this up.
It's closer to the ground. No, I'm just kidding.
What up, Mike? Did you bring the bike? Oh, I love that dude.
Yeah, he's trying to show me how to coast, chat. It's growing though every day, man. If y'all haven't been to South Carolina, y'all gonna have to come check us out here, man. A little bit. That's you. Yeah. Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah. Under the peg. And bro was just talking about no under the peg, chat. And look at these boys, man. Yeah. Y'all gotta check the hand drag, chat. Yeah. Yeah. Both ways. We gotta get bro's hand drag on camera. Especially in the sunset.